you just lost your child custody case, what can you do now? Well, of course, hindsight's 20/20. You probably needed to have had an attorney going into your child custody case, but now you've gotten a bad result. What should you do? Well, the first thing that you should do is get in and talk to an attorney as soon as possible, because certain time limits start to run after the court has entered an order. And if you need to file a motion for post-trial relief or consider filing an appeal, there are specific deadlines to do that. So you need to get in and see an attorney as soon as possible so you don't let any deadlines run. And then the other thing that you need to do is to gather up all the exhibits that were admitted in your case during the hearing. And I strongly urge you to order the transcript of that hearing so that you have a record of what was presented and what was said. It's hard at the heat of the moment to remember everything, but you need to be accurate in what was actually presented to the court. The court can only rule based upon the evidence that it received, so you need to gather the evidence and consider ordering the transcript and get in to see us as soon as possible, because time frames are running and you need to talk to an attorney so you don't let a valuable deadline pass. The other thing to consider is what can you do moving forward? If you got a bad result, perhaps you want to let a little time pass to see if the other parent is going to actually comply with the parenting plan that was ordered by the court. A lot of times folks will ask for a lot of parenting time because child support in Colorado is based upon the number of overnights with the children, but they don't really intend to exercise that parenting time. They just don't want to pay the other person child support based upon a lesser number of overnights. So I recommend that you keep a diary or a log of parenting time issues. So was the parenting time actually exercised? Was it cut short? I recommend that you keep a log of that and that you write down dates and times and specific circumstances surrounding all of that, because it might be a situation where a little time passes and the person is not complying with what they need to do. They're not exercising their parenting time, and that might give you the avenue to file a motion to modify parenting time. So, but the most important thing is, if you got a bad result, get in and see an attorney as soon as possible so you don't let any of your rights pass.